Hi, this is Jack from Carl's Buick GMC in Stewart. I just wanted to do a video of the 2016 Buick Cascada. As you see, great looking vehicle. It's just about a brand new vehicle actually. This is the Premium. Of course, power seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, Bluetooth for the phone, cruise control. Vehicle is real nice, fully loaded vehicle here. You do have the park assist, forward collision alert, OnStar, backup camera, has navigation, sorry if you couldn't see that, USB port, charger right next to the USB port, has an auxiliary plug, got your park brake right there, has a little storage here. And actually, one of the main features of this vehicle, it's really easy to go ahead and put the top up on this. Just hold this button up here, your back flips open, top flips right up, and it's all set. She's up. It's really just that easy. And then to close it, you just push her forward and she comes right up. And this is Jack from Carl's Buick GMC. If you do have any questions, you want to schedule a test drive, I'll actually be your salesperson when you arrive. So please give me a call. And you can reach me at 772-287-2424. And hope this video helped in your decision making. Thank you and have a great day.